Hey, what's going on, guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. I want to start off by apologizing for not uploading for you guys the last couple of weeks, as I'm sure a lot of you have been affected by the current situation that we're dealing with right now. We have also been affected, so I haven't been able to upload. We've lost pretty much all of our babysitters, so we're kind of making a makeshift schedule so that I can work, so that my wife can work. We've had family members lose their jobs. We've had family members get sick. Not corona related, thankfully, but we've just had a lot going on, so haven't been able to upload. So hopefully we're back to business as usual going forward, but we'll see. So I'll try to keep you guys as updated as possible. And I'm sure all of you guys are well aware that Amazon did have a shipping hold or a shipping ban, whatever you want to call it, on specific categories coming into their fulfillment centers. Now, there has been an update to the initial email that Amazon sent out, which was March 17th. An update has came out, which is good news, which I'm going to go over in this video for you guys to keep you guys up to date with your Amazon FBA business, so you guys kind of know what to expect moving forward. You can plan accordingly and then start taking action where you can. So real quick, before we get into the new shipment creation update that Amazon has released, let me just go over really brief the original email that they sent. So pretty much Amazon on March 17th put a shipment creation hold, which means you could not create a shipment to send into Amazon's fulfillment centers if they were not an essential product or category that was in high demand. Now, contrary to a lot of YouTube videos out there saying that Amazon put a hold on all categories, on all products, on FBA pretty much in general, that's just not true. There were still categories that you could still create a shipment in. They were just very specific. There were specific high demand essential categories and then specific products within those categories. So not everything was put on a hold, but a lot of things were, which due to the current situation that we're in, which I'm sure you guys are all well aware of, unless you've been living under a rock, Amazon had a huge spike in sales and demand of a bunch of essential products that needed to get out, as soon as possible. So they needed to devote the majority of their manpower to those categories, to those products, to make sure that they could meet the demand. Well, when Amazon first released this information, everyone was freaking out, which is completely understandable, right? There are so many unknowns to this. Amazon has never ever done this because we haven't really been in a situation like this before. So it's completely understandable that people were freaking out because they don't know what's going to happen to their business. They don't know when their business is going to be back to operating as normal. And there's just a lot of question marks that we're all dealing with, and Amazon included. They don't know, what to do in this situation because they've never run into this situation. But Amazon has recently released a new statement about the shipment creation hold that they had in place, and it was released on March 26th. So this is actually some good news coming out and a good step moving forward so that you guys can kind of know what's coming ahead and you guys can plan accordingly. So I'm going to read it to you right now so that you guys can see everything that's mentioned, and then we can talk about, what potentially is going to happen moving forward. All right, so let me get into the article right now. All right, so the article says, we are following up on our announcement of March 17th. We continue to focus our available capacity on the highest priority products that customers need at this time, while also adhering to social distancing guidance within our fulfillment centers to keep our employees safe and healthy. While we continue prioritizing the products we can receive beyond April 5th, we are now able to broaden the list given our constrained capacity. We are doing this at an item by item basis. We have updated the restock inventory page and restock report in Seller Central so you can check which products are eligible for shipment creation. We consider many factors when determining eligibility, including high demand products customers need now, current inventory levels and inventory in transit, fulfillment center capacity, and our ability to adhere to the latest health guidelines. We will regularly update the restock inventory page and restock report as capacity allows us to receive additional products. So that's the bulk of the email that they sent out. So this is actually good news because they are allowing more products to be sent in to the Amazon fulfillment centers at an item by item basis, depending on demand and depending on the product. So all of you already selling on the FBA platform should have gotten this email from Amazon. And if you go to it, you can actually click the link where it says restock inventory page, and it'll take you to a new page where it shows you all of the products that are eligible to start creating shipments for. Now, this is going to be products that you already have. It's not going to show you all of the products on Amazon's catalog that are able to send products in, but the products that you've sold in the past, if you have access to them, you can start creating shipments for those products as well. Now, this makes a lot of sense that Amazon is moving forward in this way because they don't want to jump ahead too fast, right? Because we don't know what's going on. Amazon doesn't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen with our current situation, if it's going to get worse, if it's going to get better. But as of right now, Amazon's going to start letting in a few more products, not every single product. So still check if you can even send that product in before you purchase it from your guys' suppliers. But moving forward, this is probably how it's going to be until it's back up to to normal until it was back up to how it was before all of this broke out. Now I can easily see it reverting back to the original email where they're just sticking to the essentials and the high demand products if this whole situation takes a turn for the worse. If things start getting much worse, demand starts spiking even more so, then I can easily see them stopping exactly where they are right now, not adding any new products or reverting back to where they were. But again, this is a good first step to kind of getting back to business as usual. But remember guys, this isn't the end of Amazon FBA. I can guarantee you Amazon FBA is not going anywhere, and I will continue to update you guys as this progresses. So if there's a new update, I'll create a new video for you guys to keep you guys all up to date on what is currently going on with Amazon and that shipment creation. All right guys, thank you guys for watching until the end, and I will see you guys in that next video.